Hey guys, welcome to your third video on how to create a slideshow. In this video, we will be learning about how to add pictures to each slide. Before I can add a picture to this slide, I need to make space for the picture. So that means that I'm going to have to reshape my text box. To reshape your text box, click on the edges of the text box and then click and drag to change the size of the text box. So now I've changed the size of this text box and I have space over here to put a picture. To add a picture to your slideshow, go to Insert, then carefully go across the word Image and then down to Search the Web. When you click on Search the Web, it's going to open up a search box on the right side of your screen. This allows you to search Google for images. I want to think carefully about the keywords that I'm going to use. Since my fact is about St. Patrick's Day, then I'm going to type St. Patrick's Day. When I click on St. Patrick's Day, I see a lot of pictures that have to do with St. Patrick's Day. But as I think about what I want for this slide, I don't really want any of this. Instead, I want to showcase that the holiday is named after a man named Patrick. So I'm going to change my keywords and take out the word day and just type St. Patrick to see if there's any images of that person. And although there may not be any images of that person, I do see a stained glass window that I'm going to click on. When I click on the image, it selects the image, and then I click Insert to insert it into my slide. And you can see that it shows up here. I can click and drag the image to move it where I want it to go. If I want to change the size of the image, I need to click on the corners. Clicking on the corners of the image can make it larger or smaller. Do not click on the sides of the image because it will distort the image. Since I have distorted this image, I will click undo to make it like it was before. Now that I've inserted an image into this slide, I'm going to go to my next slide and do the same thing. First, I will adjust the size of my text box to make room for an image on this side. And then I will go back and click on Insert, touch Image, and then click on Search the Web. This time, I think I'm going to type in the keyword of Ireland. Since I talk about how Patrick was kidnapped and taken to Ireland, I'm going to type Ireland into the search box. Since St. Patrick's Day is an Irish holiday, a map of Ireland might be an appropriate picture. In my last slide, I talk about the shamrock. And so now I will go and search for a picture of a shamrock. When you have selected images for each slide, you are done and are ready to move on to the next step.